Ideal and Others Higher Secondary School and your good morning to all. Today's maths online class, chapter number 2, numbers and sequences, exercise 2.7 and the definitions. So see now, geometry progressions. So geometry progressions means, what is a geometry progression? So see that the diagram, in the diagram given figure number 2.13. So in a triangle ABC, and that inside having for DEF, that the DEF triangle is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA. So DEF triangle formed the midpoints sides of AB, BC, CA of a triangle ABC. Then the size of the triangle DEF is exactly 1/4 of the size of the triangle ABC, because that ABC triangle inside of the DEF, so that exactly 1/4 of the size of the triangle ABC. Similarly, GHI is also a 1/4 of a triangle FDE. So that triangle inside having the another one, so that also 1/4 and so on. In general, successive the areas are 1/4 the triangle previous. So this likewise you can continuously follow the 1/4 of the triangles. So this is a continuous. So the area of triangles of now, the area of this triangle ABC 1/4 in a triangle ABC, and the next one for previous for 1/4, now 1/4 into area of triangle ABC. So previous 1/4 and 1/4 in triangle ABC, because 1/4, so that is a triangle ABC, comma 1/4 triangle ABC, comma 1/16 triangle ABC. So this likewise you can use the continuously. So you can multiplying, so that the geometric progressions. So geometric progression means you can continuously multiple. So that is a main one. So in this case, next one for, in this case we see that the beginning with the triangle ABC, we see that the successive triangle, so second continuous, so that is successive, are formed whose areas are previously 1/4. Previously means, so before, that is previously 1/4 of the area of triangle previous triangle. So each term is obtained by multiplying 1/4. So that continuously you can going for this likewise term, so previous term. So this is successive and multiplying for this one. So now we can see that another one form. So that is for us. So each cases, so that each cases we say that the beginning of the triangle ABC, so previously. So now we can see the another one case, that is another one for now. So another one case, let us consider the viral disease. Viral disease is spreading in a way such that any stages spreading in a way, any stages spreading in a way such that any stages the two persons is affected from the unaffected persons. At the first stage, at the first stages one person is affected, and then the second stage is see that the first stage one person is affected, and the second page see the diagram one person is affected. So and the second stage is two person is affected. Second stage is two persons is affected, and is spreading the four persons and so on. So one person is affected by two numbers. So and then these two person he can affected by next two. These two person is affected by next two. So it can continuously can going on. So and so on, the number of the person is affected at each stages. First one, second one for two, third one for four, can multiplying previous two. So 1 2 4 8 and so on. They except the first stage, except the first stage, the each term is preciously twice the previous term. So this is the main one in the geometric progressions. So that now we can see that from the above example it is clearly such that each term is got by multiplying fixed number to the preceding numbers. Now we can see that definitions. So these see the definitions now. So the definitions, geometric progression is a sequence in which term is obtaining multiplying a fixed number non-zero to the preceding term except the first term. First term except remaining term 2 can multiple in fixed number 2 can multiple with non-zero. The fixed number is common ratio. Mixed number is called a common ratio. That a common ratio is usually denoted by R. So this is the main one in this geometric progressions. So next you can see that general form of a geometric progressions. So the general form, let A and R not equal to 0 be real numbers. And the numbers form, first number is A, second AR, third one AR square, and so here AR power n minus 1 is called the geometric progressions. It's a general form. So then A is called first term, R is called common ratio. We note that the beginning, the first stage of term A, each term is obtained by multiplying with the common ratio. You can give AR square AR cube. It's a general form of main one. So now we can see that the general term of geometric progression. General term. So what is the general term of the geometric progressions? So we try to find a formula nth term or general term. Nth term and general term is both also same. Or the geometric progression can short form of GP, whose term is in the common ratio. So now we can see that general form or general term in the GP. AR square AR power n minus 1, where A is the first term and R is a common ratio. Let Tn be the nth term. Let Tn be the nth term. Is the main one in the nth term. So you see that T1 is a. So A into R power 0 So a into r power 1 minus 1. So you can term means you can use t, so that t1 first term, that is a, that a for can be write a into r power 0. This like also can be made. So a into r power 1 minus 1. So this one for this likewise can be formed. So the t2 t1 into r, this geometry progression of form. Before term 2 can multiply the first term. So the t1 into r, so t1 is a and r, that r for can be make r for 2 minus 1, that is also r. So the next t3 can use t2 into r, that also ar into r can be formed. You can make, so ar square, that ar square ar a into r power 3 minus 1. So this likewise continuous. So tn, so tn minus 1, because third term for t2, so that the last term for tn minus 1. So r for continuously. So this one tn minus 1 ar power n minus 2 into r. So this one can be formed means a into r power n minus 1. This is a general form of general form or general term of or nth term. Gp is tn equal to ar power n minus 1. So now we can see that if we considered the ratio of the successive term of the GP, then we have T2 by T1. T2 by T1 A R by A. So T2 second term, T1 first term, so this and divide means R. This continuously T3 by T2. So AR square by A, so that is R. T4 by T3 AR cube by AR square, that is R. T5 by T4 AR power 4 by AR cube. This also divide means R. So everything is divide, that is R. So that is common ratio. So now you can see that the ratio between any two consecutive terms or the geometric progression is always constant. Constant means the same that value, and the constant is called common ratio of the given progression. So this progress check you can check, and any doubt means can ask. Now we can see that example 2.40. So see that example 2.40, which of the following sequence form a geometric progression. See that the first one 7, 14, 21, 28 and so on. And the solution to check if a given sequence form a GP, you have to see the ratio between successive terms are equal, that is must. Ratio equal. So the first term, first one for 7, 14, 21, 28. So the 7 is first term, 14 is second term, so that is T2 by T1. Second term 2 divided for first term. So 14 by 7, so this one cancel means 2. So this likewise next T3 by T2. So this also 21 by 14. Third term 2 divided by second term. This one for cancel means 3 by 2. T4 by T3. So 28 by 21. This one divide means 4 by 3. So you can see that now since the ratio between successive terms are not equal, this is the main one, because each value is different. The sequence is 7, 14, 28 is not a geometric progression, because each ratio is different, so that not a geometric sequence. So now you can see that the second one, so the similarly can find. So 1 by 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4. So first term 1 by 2 divided by second term t2 by t1, sorry, 1 by 1 by 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 means divide for 2. So next t3 by t2, second third term 2 divided by second term, so you can get 2. Next t4 by t3 equal to 4 by 2. So you can get the value of 2. So continuously you can this likewise check means you can get the ratio of this value. So now here see, so here the ratios between successive terms are equal, is the main one, equal. Therefore the sequence 1 by 2 1 2 4 is a geometric progression with a common ratio R. So next one for you can see that the third one. So this likewise you can check. So 5 25 50 75 is also t2 by t1, second time 2 divided by first time, so that 25 by 5 by 5 t3, so 50 by 25 to t4 by t3, so 75 by 50, so cancel means 3 by 2. So since the ratios between successive terms are not equal, so the sequence 5 25 50 75 is not a geometric progression. Equal means is common ratios equal means that is geometric progression, not equal means not a geometric progressions. So thinking corner you can think, so any doubt means can ask this one for. So next you can see that example 2.41. So you can see that 2.41, find the geometric progression whose first term and a common ratio are given by. So first term a equal to -7, r equal to 6. Second one a equal to 256, r equal to 0.5. So first you can see the solution. General form of a geometric progression is, that is the formula ar square. So that a is -7, ar means a into a for -7, r for 6, so -7 into 6 -42. ar square means a for -7 and r for 6, so that 6 square multiple means -252. So therefore the required geometric progression is -7 -42 -252. So the second one you can see the general form of a geometric progression is formula ar square. This also you can previous likewise can apply. So a equal to 256 ar second time, so a into a 256 into r for 0.5 128 multiple 4, then ar square 256 into 0.5 whole square, 0.5 whole square multiple, then this 256 with can multiple, you can get the value of 64. So this one for you can go the geometric progression 256 128 64. So this is a second one. Now we can see that progression check. This progression check you can check, suppose any doubt means can ask. So now we can see example 2.42. So find the eighth term of a GP. Eighth term of a GP 931. So solution, to find the eighth term we have to use the nth formula. This is a formula Tn equal to a into r power n minus 1. So first term a, common ratio you can find out is a formula of common ratio T2 by T1. T2 second term is 3, first term is 9, so 1 by 3 divide means 1 by 3 divide means 1 by 3 is a common ratio. So now you can use nth term means can use the formula of Tn, so that n for 8, so equal to a for 9 into r for 1 by 3 n minus 1, n for 8 minus 1, so 9 into 1 by 3 whole power 7, because 8 minus 1 is 7, so the 9 into 1 by 7, this 1 by 3 whole power 1 7 can explain, so 1 power 7 and divided by 3 power 7, this one you can explain. Then you can multiple with this 9 into that value, so 1 by 243 you can get the value of 1 by 243. Therefore the eighth term of GP is geometry progression is 1 by 243. So now we can see that next example, so 2.43. so this 4.3 you can check geometric progression. The fourth term is 8 by 9. The seventh term is 64 by 243. Find the geometric progressions. Geometric progression can find. So the solution, fourth term means already I informed Tn, so that T4, that answer is 8 by 7. So now you can see that T4, that T4 can use the formula nth term ar power n minus 1. So a into r power, that r for don't know, a also don't know, so that you can use 4 for n, so that 4n means can use 4 minus 1, so that 3. So a r cube is equal to 8 by 9. So that T4 AR cube 8 by 9 is our first equation. This is like a similar seventh term, so that T7 64 by 243 is given the answer. This T7 can use AR power 6 at n for 7 minus 1, so that 6. Use the Tn formula of GP. This also you can get it 64 by 243. This is equation number 2. So now this two equation with can solve, we can get the required result and we can find the GP. So now you can see that you can solve these two equations. GP means generally you can divide it for second to first, because second value is highest, so that AR power 6 first term is smallest value, so that second term to divided for first means you can easily can find the answer. So AR power 6 by AR cube, so equal to this AR power 6 value to 64 by 243, AR power 3 for 8 by 9. So this 2 value 4 you can divide, so cancel the A, and r power 3 and r power 3 cancel means r power 6 to r power 3 cancel means r power 3. So this one 4 you can cancel. Simplify this 64 by, now you can simplify 64. So now we can use so r cube is equal to 8 by 27. So this one divide means you can get the divide the value of this one, so you can get r cube equal to 8 by 27. So this one 8 for can take 2 cube and 27 for 3 cube, so r equal to 2 by 3. So then substituting the value of r in 1, we can get first equation a into r for 2 by 3, so whole cube, so 2 cube 3 cube, so that 8 by 27, so and equal to 8 by 9, so you can cancel this value, you can get the value of r a equal to 3. Therefore the geometric progression is that is a formula ar square, that a is 3, so r is 2 by 3, so a into r value of 2 by 3 cancel means 2, and that next one a r square, this one for a value 4 is 3 and r value 2 by 3 whole square means you can get the value of 4 by 3. So this likewise you can get the value of 3 comma 2 comma 4 by 3. So now note that the formulas of main ones, note that when product of the three constitutives of the GP are given, we can take the three terms a by r, a comma ar. The product of four constitutives of a GP, a by r cube, a by r, ar and ar cube. These are four terms of geometric progression. These are three terms of the geometric progression. So in each term is geometric progression is multiplied or divided by non-zero constant, and the resulting sequence is called geometric progression. This likewise you can already know that. So now you can see that example 2.44, you can see that the product of three constitutives of geometric progression 343, and their sum is 91 by 3. Find the three terms. So the solutions, since the product of three constitutives is given, use the formula of three constitutives GP, a by r, a r. That product a by r into a r equal to 243. So cancel this r and this r. So remaining can get the value of a cube, that is 343, so 7 cube, so a is equal to 7. This cube cancel means a equal to 7. So now we can see the sum of terms. This also given the question. Sum of the terms for 91 by 3. So that sum that three terms 1 a by r plus ar commonly can take a, so then 1 by r plus 1 plus r remaining equal to 91 by 3. So a value can use 7 and 91 by 3. So this 7 and 91 cancel means 13 sevens are 91, so that you can get the value of 13, and that cross multiple can get here for 1 times, here is 13 times. So in 13, so you can do the cross multiple and you can get this value 3 plus 3r plus 3r square equal to 13r. So you can rearrange, and 3r square minus 10r plus 3 equal to 0. So now this factorize means you can get 3r minus 1 and r minus 1 equal to 0. So r equal to 3 and r equal to 1 by 3. So if a equal to 7, r equal to 3, the three consecutive terms formula with can apply this value. A by r, ar. So 7 by 3, 7 and 21. So this value also can use a equal to 7 and r equal to 3, can use the three terms. So you can get the value of 21, 7, 7 by 3. So these are the three values of these terms. Next you can see that condition for three numbers of the GP, condition of the three numbers of GP. So the three numbers of the condition, if A, B, C are in GP, B equal to AR, C equal to AR square. So AC equal to A into C value for AR square. So AR whole square, but AR is already B, so that B square. So B square equal to AC. So B square equal to AC. So similarly can if B square equal to AC, so B by A, this B A can divide for, can use and C for this likewise. So this B square per split B, another one B divide for. So B by A equal to C by B. So you can get value of, so that ABC are in GP. So these are the conditions. So three non-zeros ABC or GP means if and only if B square equal to AC. These are main conditions. So next one for, you can see the example 2.45. So this see the example, the present value of the machine is rupees 40,000 and its value depreciate each year by 10%. Find the estimate value of the machine in the sixth year. So I can use a solution. So value of the machine at the present is 40,000. Since it is depreciate means decrease at the rate of 10%. After 1 year, the machine is 90%. Because depreciate, so that reduce for percentage means 100, so 10% reduce means 90%. So the initial value, so that now we can see the value of machine at the end of the first year. So 40,000 into 90%, so the 90 by 100, so cancel means you can get the value, otherwise like that can give. After 2 years, the value of the machine is 90% in this first year. So the value of machine at the end of the second year means 40,000 into 90 by 100 whole square. This is a second year end, so that whole power 2. So this likewise you can continue this way. The machine depreciate the following ways. So 40,000 first year, then the second one 40,000 into 90 by 100. So 40,000 into 90 by 100 whole square. This likewise continuous. So you can get the sequence. Then you can see that the sequence is in the form of a GP. The first term 40,000 common ratio, so 90 by 100 with can multiplying for rising, so that is a common ratio. For finding the value of the machine and the fifth year and the fifth year end, so that sixth year we need to find the sixth term. We need to find the sixth term, so that n is equal to n equal to 6, a equal to 40,000, r equal to 90 by 100. Use the formula Tn is equal to a into r power n minus 1. So n for 6, so that use 6 and a for 40,000 into r for 90 by 100. So n for 6 minus 1, so that 5. So 40,000 into 90 by 100, so whole square, so that we explain. So 40,000 into 9 by 10, 9 by 10, 9 by 10, so 5 times can explain. And you can simplify means you can get 23,619.6. Therefore, the value of the machine in the sixth year rupees 23,619.60. So next you can see that exercise 2.7 in that first sum fully. You can do the homework in the example 2.40. So this one you can do the homework on tomorrow.